In a medical malpractice trial, if the injured patient tells a little white lie, is it still possible that they can win their case? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and the answer is yes, they can. You should know that if someone tells a little white lie during the course of trial, that can destroy their credibility, even if it's a tiny little lie. Why? Because credibility is everything at trial. Credibility forms the basis about whether or not the jury can trust what you are saying is true. The jury has to decide whether what you are claiming is more likely right than wrong. And now, if they don't believe you, or they catch you in a lie, and the defense attorney catches you in a lie, guess what? He's going to blow it up as big as possible to show to the jury that, listen, this injured patient cannot be trusted, even though that little lie may have nothing to do with the key issues in the case. So now, if you tell a little white lie, how is it possible that you can still win your case? Well, you see, at the very end of the trial, the judge will instruct the jury on what the law is in New York as it applies to your particular case. And one of the instructions the judge will talk about is what happens if you tell a little white lie. In law, it's called falsus in uno. That's a fancy legal term. It's a fancy Latin term that basically says, if you tell a lie about one thing, the jury is entitled to disregard all of your testimony. On the other hand, the jury may feel that that small little lie that you told has absolutely nothing to do with the claims that you're bringing against the doctor or the hospital. And it had nothing to do with the carelessness by the doctor or the hospital staff. And as a result of their carelessness, you now suffered significant injury. So that is how it's possible that a jury could find, yes, we think you did lie, we recognize you lied, but that lie had nothing to do with the issues in this case, and we don't think it's significant enough to turn you out of court without a dime. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because I recognize you're watching this, you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.